Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to check if your Samsung Galaxy S25 is a real phone or a fake. Let's go. Welcome back to the video. My name's Sergio, and in this channel, I make life-saving tech videos. So if you're new here, feel free to subscribe and hit the bell while you're down there. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to check your Samsung Galaxy S25 to make sure it's a real phone and not a fake. Maybe you want to do this if you're buying a used phone and you want to make sure it's not a copy. Or you already bought a phone and you want to make sure that it is an original Galaxy S25. So super simple. What we're going to need for this check is the IMEI. There's two ways to get it. You can get it by going into settings and about phone. It will be here. Or you can also click on the phone dial pad and dial *#06#. And it will give you the serial numbers and IMEI. What we're going to use is IMEI number 1, which is right here. And we're going to go on this website here to check it out. All right, so this is the website we're going to be using. It's imei.info. I'll also have it linked down below for you guys if you want to check it out. And once you get to it, this is what it's going to look like. Here is where you're going to enter that first IMEI to check the device. So let's go ahead and type it in. Okay, and so all you need is the first 15 digits. Okay, once it's fully typed in, go ahead and select check IMEI. All right, so here are the results. So as you can see, this is a Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So it is a real device. It's showing up as what it's supposed to be. Here it gives you some more information about the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Okay, but the important thing is that it is showing up as the S25 Ultra, so it is a real Samsung Galaxy S25. All right, so that's pretty much it. That is how you check your Samsung Galaxy S25 to make sure it's a real phone and not a fake. Go ahead and hit that like button if this video helped you, and comment down below and let me know. That's all for this video. Catch you in the next one. As always, peace.